Oh. Hindi siya matanggal pagka may lamig.
Dito.
Oh, ang
Dito
tigas.
yung masakit sa kanya.
Oh, dyan.
dyan.
Yan talaga iniinda ko.
Ito, wala.
Wala na. Ayan. Madali siya matanggal pag wala siya masyado lamig. Magaan lang siya, no? Oo.
Dito,
Gantusa. Massage.
Dito may lamig.
Yan.
Yan, may lamig ka dyan din, no? May lang umano, oh. Haba mo sa gilid. Meron kalat, eh.
Sa isip ko, baka sa kidipilyor ko yan.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Ay,
Oh.
ano failure ko?
May ano, may sakit ako sa kidney.
Meron kang sakit sa kidney?
May kidney failure ako.
O ano, ibawal ka sa ano?
Maraming bawal sa akin, kaya nga bumayat grabing bagsak ang katawan ko ngayon.
It's a lot better with 43 seconds and a 13.34% chance of success. So obviously the more the golden labs,
Hindi pala siya matanggal, ano, kahit ano pang
we have
gawin.
of succeeding. For now though, let's just
Ang hihigop pala talaga siya, no?
Hihigop siya.
Kung saan meron. Eh, ito pinalagay mo dito meron eh.
Wow, crazy amount, boys, crazy amount. I'm already regretting this because we cannot use any of our shekels to buy
Grabe, kapit na kapit siya, no?
We progress using the
Dikit na dikit sa balat.
feeling this is gonna take us a long time. Lucky for us though, they dig every 40 to 60 seconds instead of something crazy like
Hindi
10
naman.
minutes or something. But we already got our second carrot seed, so let's go ahead and plant that down and keep it pushing.
Dito yung masakit sa'yo.
Oh, yan.
I'm gonna get this carrot in the meantime though and go ahead and sell that thing. 32 shekels off that. Okay, working our way up, Now I do want to set some ground rules. Even though I can't prevent seeds from the seed shop, I can
Hindi siya matanggal. Hanggang sa shoulder mo may...
I just can't plant anything unless I get it from my golden lab. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to hear anybody saying I'm cheating by using Robux. We can definitely use Robux. Otherwise, this would literally take like a year. Come on though, boys. I know y'all can do better than carrot seeds. Come on, man. Give me something better than carrot seeds. It seems like we're getting them pretty consistent though. Like, look at that. Already another carrot seed.
Pagka, ano pala, dikit siya agad, no? Pero pag wala, hindi naman siya didikit. Matanggal siya.
Dapat naligo ka na muna nga eh bago ka pumunta sa akin.
Naligo ko kanina.
Pero hindi ka na.
Mapahinga niya na ba?
Kasi umalis ako kanina, pumunta akong financial center. Hindi ko ito iligo bukas, no?
Hindi pa.
Hindi.
Yo, we got our first multi-harvestable plant. Working our way up. We got 2 seeds at the same time. Okay, what do we get here?
Isang parte lang talaga iniinda ko yan talaga dyan sa
We already got another
puno.
multi-harvestable seed. It seems like we're literally upgrading in the order that the